Hey, how you doing? Hope you're well. This is going to be hopefully a really quick video looking at some new Bigfoot data that I got my hands on. So I've had various questions about the Bigfoot data in the past. I looked at seasonality, but one of the big kind of open questions for me was around Bigfoot habitat and being able to look at the data and identify the types of habitat that Bigfoot is spotted in most. And you can sort of guess that it would probably be woodland that he'd be spotted in quite a lot, but then there's other things that are quite interesting, like swamps, like the legend of Boggy Creek, and also the Florida skunk ape. Yes, Florida's Bigfoot, the skunk ape. Right. These people have kindly supplied. Okay, it's the GIS, the ArcGIS hub, which is hub.arcgis.com. This data was gathered from the BFRO website and enriched using land cover and other environmental data available through the Enrich Data option on ArcGIS Online. And it includes some things like percent forest, percent, so let's click on that, percent forest, percent pasture, perennial ice, snow, barren land, and then shrub, scrub, grassland, that sort of thing. So I got this data yesterday and I couldn't quite work out how to use it, but then I woke up this morning with an idea. What I've done, forest is the forest thing divided by 100. So basically divide them by 100. So take those new variables, forest, wetlands, snow, scrub, and farmland, divide them by 100. And then what I've done is I've used them as the alpha value for the points. So what this means is if the percentage of forest is very low or 0, you won't see a dot. But if the percentage of forest is very high, then you will see a dot. So I've done a map for forest, wetlands, snow, scrub, farm, and then done one that mixes them all together in different colours. So let's have a look. This is what the farmland one looks like. So you've got farmland in yellow. It's kind of dotted around most of the places where there are Bigfoot sightings. This is forest. Lots of forest sightings up in Washington and also in California. This strip along here kind of matches the Sierra Nevada mountain range, I think, having looked at it today. But also, what's that place we went there? Yosemite. Yosemite's in amongst all of that. Okay, now we have scrub in orange. So this is just scrubland. Not much going on, well, not much to talk about there, I think. Okay, so this is perennial snow and ice. And I think this one's really interesting because you can see 3 of the places with the most dense Bigfoot sightings in the whole country, up in Washington, over in California, and also Colorado. The places where they have high mountain ridges, perennial snow and ice. These places are some of the places where you see Bigfoot a lot. Wetlands, now I thought this was interesting because if you look at forest cuts off for most of Florida, but if you look at wetlands, it goes right down into Florida, which I thought was really cool. And then, is that it? That's it. And then this is what it looks like when you put them all together. This is the mixture. So it's a bit hard to see the snow and ice. You can see that kind of mix down in Florida. Yeah, there's a fair old mix in California and Colorado, but up in Washington it's mostly woodland sightings. So there you go, a little bit of an extra dimension, I hope, to this whole story of where do people see Bigfoot. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like. And please, if you want to see any more, please subscribe. Thanks a lot. Bye.